If you're new to Set in Motion, here's a simple step-by-step guide to getting started. Step 1. Sign up. Creating a new account is easy. All you need is an email address. Step 2. Once you've activated your account, go ahead and start a project. Step 3. Now, the fun begins. Choose a good picture, one that really reflects your project and gets people's attention, and fill out a few bits of information. When you write your blurb, try to come up with something that covers the basics and has some emotional or ethical appeal. Step 4. Next, you have to figure out how much money you're hoping to raise. Try to settle on an amount that's accurate for your needs. Not too much, not too little. Go to Tips for Project Creators page for more help. Step 5. Time to get organized. In the project breakdown, you'll fill out goals, things you hope to accomplish, and actions, things you'll do to accomplish the goals. You'll also have to assign costs to the various parts of your project. This takes a little work, but when funders see how organized and prepared you are, they'll be ready to support you. Step 6. Don't forget about the rewards. You get the chance to spell out all the creative rewards you'll offer based on various donation amounts. You can set limits based on future availability. Try to make these interesting and memorable, something for people to cherish. Step 7. Now's your chance to really get people to take notice. By creating and uploading a video, you offer a deeper, more personal connection for possible funders. A video is a great way to supply a lot of information and share your personal story. Here's a key tip: keep it under 3 minutes. Step 8. A well-thought-out project description is just as important as your video. This will be a place to give a lot of details, but don't be too dry. People are driven by aspirations, emotions, logic, and love. Tap into any motivation you can. Set in Motion makes everything easy while keeping a well-organized system for both project starters and funders. You'll create the information that people need to feel invested in your success and willing to support you. Don't underestimate the importance of a good project setup. You've come this far. Don't skimp on the details now. Click the button below to get started. Good luck!